without any papel lang ito eh. You better go back to them and have the legal. Wala, for what? I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you? Abogado ka?
Hindi po.
Ay, tawagan mo yung abogado mo?
Si Alex. Kasi kanina wala pang mga sir. He used to be, sir, also
Vision Commander, 6 Division.
PC
I'm sorry to be talking loudly, but you know, this is a serious matter.
They just kanina, sir, nire-request ko na magpagbigyan lang kayo na makauwi sa bahay mga buwan ng mga gamit. Kasi wala pang warrant for us until we get a copy of the warrant for arrest. Yung requirement.
That is the only
They're saying
legal
they
thing.
now, sir,
You know, restriction over freedom. Before you drive a person, even for a minute, you must have a legal basis. So, show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. If somebody else says, hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Mr. President.
Yes,
sir. I understand, Mr. President. The decision to bring you here is not a decision that was made by us. The report, hindi po namin decision. Opo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not, then that is a serious illegal detention. Yan ang mangyayari dyan.
Bong, meron akong number, Bong. Meron akong cellphone na pwede na matawagan niya si Atty. Torion.
Sige na, puro abogado ito dito.
Hindi daw siya makakonect eh. Parang ginaan ating cellphone.
At this point, I do not read you. For detention and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? And there's naman doon blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Kung kaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.
People general naman ngayon. Alam mo ba na hindi man lang siya na-share kung anong kaso kinacharge sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo na. And then, hindi pa kayo na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General. Yes. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. we have to file a counter affidavit without doing those procedure process. Here we are being issued the warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman to, sir?
Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Without doing those procedure process, here we are being issued the warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Lahat, ginigiba natin natin ang pipinang pagkaroon ng search warrant, ang pipinang pag-implement ng warrant of arrest. Where are we going? Ayun ba kayo yan, sir?
Wala na sa procedure. Under our...
Sa pagkaroon yung naiiyagan ko kasi wow, nagpapalagay yan.
Hindi tayo magkalaban. Yung ginawa ko na gustuhan ninyo, totoo lang. I brought them to this country. You know that. Nagustuhan ninyo yan. So I am not blaming you. Let us not argue. We avoid hurt talks at magkasakitan lang. For after all, kasama tayo sa gobyerno noon. And maybe in the future, kasama tayo ulit. This is not the end of the story. Wala, ano naman yung unang ebidensya? Balik ka rin mo yung utang yun. Magkikita rin tayo ulit. So, well, retire na ako. I think that I've changed my balik ako sa politika. Hindi ba ako makulong dito ganito? Nanibig kong makulong ako, wala namang bawal na tumakbo tao. Unless the financial strength is deprived of your right to seek public office. But far from it, actually, like other stories na dumaan sa idiot. Wala talaga nangyari. Mabuti na lang, hindi ko kayo tinatakot. Mabuti na lang, wala nag-file ng case sa inyo. Kasi sa itaas, pagdating na kita, ginagawa ninyo yung trabaho ninyo, puro blunders naman, puro blooper, puro... Pagdating sa trial dyan, patawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko yung the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan. Hindi ka sa galing ako dito. Pero pagdating ng panahon, sir, sabihin ko sa iyo, hirapan ito. Ngayon, din sa iyo, hindi na-rely on case dyan sa KCC na yan. NCC. Hindi na tayo membro eh. Kaya lang, hindi kayo. I'm just talking as a former prosecutor. Siyempre, sunod lang kayo. Pero, mas kinanong-tuwain ko, isasabi ko naman kita, kasi ito ka na nag-tip sa akin. Pero hindi rin ako papayag na makulong ka. Ituro ko lang kung sino ang nag-punto sa iyo, ihampas ko yung tatakbo yata ako ng Vice President. Tapos patay ko yung Presidente. Hindi patas ang laban niyo. Or I will ask my daughter to run. And I will run as Vice President to be in the sabihin ko sa inyo mga militar, i-kulitan ninyo siya para support not for all decision para makatakbo sa ulit. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, naano ako, naghindi talaga ako. Nagindi ang politika. Alam niyo yun.